Hi, in this video, I will show you how to reverse a cash send on Capitec app. So, you can only reverse a cash send before the recipient has collected it. If it's already collected, reversal isn't possible. Steps to reverse: open Capitec app, log in with your PIN or biometric, tap Cash Send from the main menu, and go to Pending Cash Sends. This shows uncollected transfers. Now, find the transaction by tapping the cash send you want to reverse and tap Cancel or Reverse and confirm the cancellation. Money will be returned to your Capitec account instantly. And if you don't see pending or cancel, that means the recipient already collected it and the cash send expired, or it may auto return. It could be also because the app is not updated, so update the app and check again. Now, you can navigate to transaction or history and look for status like pending, cancelled, or collected. If it's collected, reversal isn't possible. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.